No more sweet tea for this one. It's broken. Wonder what else we can make with it. Well, let's find out. Hi guys, welcome to the craft table. Today's Monday, for me anyway, and today is basically Make It Up Monday because I am going to make it up as I go. Today's inspiration, one broken sweet tea jar. I call them sweet tea jars, they're drink jars, whatever. I broke the spout. There's no little thing, doesn't work anymore, but there's no way I'm gonna throw this in the recycle bin or in the garbage. I'm going to make it up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I have an idea. So sit down, relax, enjoy, and let's make it up. I hope you enjoyed our Make It Up Mondays and our little strawberry jar fairy garden. I think it turned out beautifully. And yes, there were a few things that I could have done first, like, you know, the bright idea of taking the spout out in the middle after I already had the strawberry in. Yeah, it worked, but it probably would have worked a lot easier if I'd taken it out first. But I really like it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I really hope that you were able to find that little spark of inspiration to get the imagination going. Don't throw it away. Make it beautiful. I think we did a good job today. So if you enjoy these tutorials and would like to see more, please consider subscribing. And don't be afraid to hit that little notification bell. It will let you know the next time that I upload a video, which is usually on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I'm enjoying our Fast Fridays, by the way. Check it out from the last time. The sweet tea, oh, I just adore it. In fact, I'm on my way to get some. And I really enjoy having you here to ramble on with. And I hope to see you soon. So I'm going to say bye-bye now.